everyone, this is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and you may have noticed in one of my previous videos that I was making some clove orange. Well, I've made 3 of them, and they are a little bit of work, and I'm a little bit, they can get a bit tiresome. But I do have quite a number of these oranges left, and they're not really suitable for canning. So I have decided that I'm going to slice them up and dehydrate them. So I'll just go through the process here. Actually, it's pretty simple, but let me show you what I do. Okay, so I've got my dehydrating trays here ready, and I am going to, actually I'll just move those over here, and I'm going to just slice up these these oranges as evenly as I possibly can. I'm going to remove that end, and probably about 1/4 of an inch thick. And once again, they just smell wonderful. And perhaps I'm going to stick a few cloves in a few of these as they're dehydrating. And I'll use them in the, perhaps that's what I'll use these bits for. And I will use them in the display that I make. Okay, so I have 4, 5, 6, 7, I have 7. So yes, I will use those bits. Let me just go get some cloves. Okay, I have brought some cloves over. Actually, I purchased quite a large bag of them, and I've just put them in a mason jar, and I've poured a few in this container here. And I think sticking them in here while they're dehydrating, the smells will combine. There, that's what I've done there. So I'll probably do this just with the end ones, and the other orange bits I will save for something else. Put that aside. Anyway, let's just slice these for now. And yes, I'll leave these a little larger so it's a bit easier to put the cloves in them. This one that's too tiny has become fairly difficult. There we go. That works nicely. And that one should work as well. Okay, next one. So when I make a display of the clove oranges that I've made, I'll put these in there, the display as well, and I'll probably put some cinnamon sticks in there as well, and maybe some star anises in to meld that scent as well. Okay. All right. So there's our first tray is done. Not much on that one. Okay. Now when I'm dehydrating, depends on what I'm dehydrating. Sometimes I'll put it outside, but the scent of oranges is not overwhelming or undesired. If you're doing garlic, you definitely don't want to do that in the house, or onions or something like that. It's pretty heady, pretty strong scent. So yeah, just be cautious what environment you dehydrate white items in. Okay, so I think we're going to end up using, well, maybe we can get them all on 2 trays, perhaps. Okay. Yeah, we'll just have to make the other ones a little tighter there. So we'll do 1 tray without the cloves and the other one with. Okay, so we'll put that one aside and redo this one. Not that it matters, just trying to fit them all on the 1 tray. Okay. Almost done. Okay, maybe we'll try to do these bits as well, because the peel has quite a bit of scent in it as well when it dries, the orange peel. Okay, so stick one there, and actually we'll bring that over here. Okay, so we've got 2 trays. Now we'll set these probably at 125 degrees and overnight, perhaps, but I'll check them. So at least it will take at least 8 hours, I would suspect, and perhaps longer. These are pretty juicy, in spite of the fact that I didn't like them as for canning. They are very tasty and they are very juicy, so they should be, very nice, very tasty for whatever I use them for, whatever I add the slices in for food. So, okay, that's this video for now. Okay, that's my video for dehydrating cloves, or dehydrating oranges. And when they're completed, I'll take some pictures of that and add them to the end of this video. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.